emeralds.
Do you need a lift down there?
I probably could just jump down there, but that would render your cameo in episode 1 completely pointless, so yeah, 1
This is not a test. The emergency alert system. Demolition of the fictional station building is happening around 9:15 p.m. on January 29th, Wednesday. Those are pillager patroller riots terrorists. Who wants to destruction all the station buildings? Stay tuned for more information.
pretty please?
If you want this Chaos Emerald, you're gonna have to go through me.
Sounds like a challenge to me. Bring it on!
Ah!
Here it is.